By the way, guys, sorry for that lighting. I'm just gonna try to like block it, like move. Try to block that light. It's still not working. Why didn't I do this before I did the video? Well, whatever. Let's just get into this video. What's up, you guys? We're back in the video today. More fidget spinners. So, as in my last video, you know that I bought a new fidget spinner, but this isn't it. It's coming in the mail. Oh, that effect! It's coming. It's gonna come back. Low battery. Oh, that was weird. So yeah, like I said, I bought a new fidget spinner, and also remember to drop a like, subscribe if you are new. And this is like my second face cam fidget spinner video. I've been doing it like over there on the ground. So yeah, so the first trick. Everybody knows this old-fashioned trick. Okay? Everybody knows that trick. Not a lot of people tried this trick. Have you ever tried it on the pinky though? Because I sure have. Success. So yeah, I don't know what just happened there. That was my setup and now it's like ruined, but so that was the first trick. Oh, by the way, I got new socks. Tell me in the comments if you like them. Let me just pull these. Oh, I'm not flexible. Oh, like that. Actually, I am. Look at this. I just did that. I don't know why. Oh my gosh, son, just stop it. This isn't the best lighting I could get because the other one's like, look, I'll show you guys. Do you guys want to see this lighting videos? I don't think so. We get more light. It's like my studio. Our little studio. So yeah, next trick. See this? You guys probably saw this last video. I'm going to grab this, turn it around, and hopefully it would... Oh, why did I do that? Let's try this again. I'm so short, I need a little stool. Why do I do that? Let me try again. Last try. Oh, get wrecked. Caught that. Next trick is on my head. I have no idea if the camera's pointing at me, but yeah. You know what? Let's try to get this lighting fixed with this thingy. Just it's not working. That's how it's done, son. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you are new, like, subscribe, share, and comment. And that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and peace out. If you like fidget spinner videos, subscribe.